Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now it's been a while since I've done a skincare video on my channel. So today I want to talk about with you all an ingredient which is super trendy in K-beauty right now. Almost every K-beauty product uses this ingredient, has a specific product dedicated to it or even a whole product line dedicated to it. So you guys might have guessed about the ingredient which I'm talking about, that is Centella asiatica. Now it is also goes by name CICA, Indian penny word, go to cola और हिंदी में से ब्राह्मी भी कहते हैं. So the Dot Key brand sent me this beautiful box right here. It has all these moisturizers right here about which I'm going to talk about in today's video. Now I must say, every time Dot Key launch a new product, they do come up with really cute and adorable packaging, and they want me to try their newly launched product right here, that is their CICA Calming Skin Renewing Night Gel. Now let's talk about a little bit about this brand if you guys are not familiar with this brand. So Dot Key is an Indian skincare brand that addresses all your unmet skin needs. They offer dermatologically tested skincare products and also free from nasty chemicals. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about all these products right here. Also, I'm going to share with you all the application and the ingredient in all these products. But before we jump into the video, if you guys are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell for every new video update. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Now let's quickly jump into the video. The first product is Dot Key CICA Calming Skin Renewing Night Gel. Now I have to appreciate the outer packaging of this product right here, guys. The packaging is really cute and adorable, and you guys can find all the ingredients right here on the outer packaging. And as soon as you open the outer packaging, you can find this really cute little card right here. It has all the details about this product and how to use this product. Now this is how the inner packaging looks like. It is really adorable like the outer packaging, and you guys cannot find any details on the inner packaging, so for that you have to refer the outer packaging. The bottle is a glass bottle, so you guys have to be really careful while using this product, and it comes with this beautiful white plastic cap. So as soon as I open this cap, I can see this inner lid right here, and this inner lid will help to stop your product from spilling. Now let me take it off and show you guys the texture of this product. So you guys can definitely see the texture is a light gel kind of texture. The product is really lightweight. As you guys can see, I have used this product, so it is a little empty from inside. So the fragrance is very mild, cool, minty kind of fragrance. It is not too strong. So if you guys don't like products which has strong fragrance, definitely go for this one. It has a very mild fragrance. So this night gel is super effective on oily and sensitive skin, focusing on skin problems like acne, acne scars, inflammation, redness and blemishes. It is an overnight skin treatment. This magic in a jar unlocks the superpowers of Centella asiatica or CICA to provide rapid healing and comforting for clear, smooth and hydrated skin. So मैं ये product last few days से use कर रही हूँ because recently my skin is breaking out a lot because of this humid weather, and मेरी skin पे बहुत छोटे small bumps हो रहे हैं and redness हो जा रही है, and I can definitely see a huge difference to my skin. This does definitely calms down my skin. So here is the application of this product. Just scoop out a generous amount and apply to your face, neck and décolletage. Avoid eye and lip area. You can massage in upward circular motion and leave it on overnight. For best results, you can use this product daily before bed. So इस product का जो hero ingredient है वो है CICA. CICA is an skin healing and soothing ingredient that minimizes skin inflammation and repairs damaged skin. It also has anti-acne properties that helps to reduce acne and diminishes the appearance of acne scars. इसमें green tea भी है, which is a natural antioxidant which helps reduce skin irritation, redness and swelling from acne. इसमें niacinamide भी है, which is a form of vitamin B that prevents breakouts and minimizes the appearance of pores. It does also heals acne and fades acne scars. एंड लास्टली हाइलोरोनिक एसिड और सेरामाइड्स जो है वो स्किन को एक बैलेंस्ड हाइड्रेशन देता है एंड ऑल्सो स्ट्रेंथन्स द स्किन्स बैरियर. So I'm definitely going to include this cream in my nighttime routine as it has become one of my favorite product recently, and I'm using this product religiously from past 2 weeks and it has done a great job on my skin. And yeah guys, this ultralight gel has become my bedtime BFF for clear, smooth and calm skin. It is a light oil free, synthetic fragrance free and non-comedogenic night gel. This CICA calming skin renewing night gel is free from synthetic bleach, parabens, alcohol, sulfates, phthalates and other nasties. Now the packaging says that you have to use the product at night time because it is a skin renewing and calming night gel. Now coming to the price point of this product right here, it is a 60 ml of product for rupees 595, which is very affordable. Now I'm gonna read some of the claims of this night gel right here for you guys. It claims that it is really effective to reduce acne and fades acne scars. It heals and soothes inflamed skin and offers balanced hydration. It also repairs and renews skin and also minimizes pores. Now moving on to the second moisturizer, this is the vitamin E and C super bright moisturizer from Dot Key. Again, the packaging is really cute and adorable of this product right here. This is a 60 ml of glass jar for rupees 595. Now this moisturizer has 3 types of vitamin C. The first one is the 100% vitamin C from Kakadu plum that boosts the skin brightness and makes way for glowing skin. The second vitamin C is the ethyl ascorbic acid that is really effective to get rid of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. And lastly, the third one is the sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is the most stable form of vitamin C. The vitamin C and E super bright moisturizer has a little thick texture, but it does absorb very easily into the skin. So the formula of this product is really lightweight. As you guys can see, the texture is really gel type texture. Now इसके fragrance के बारे में बात करते हैं. जो fragrance है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा mild है, kind of orangey और citrusy fragrance. I really love the fragrance of this product guys. Like it has a very fresh orangey fragrance. And this moisturizer is really effective to increase the skin elasticity and firmness. It also contains vitamin E, which works best with vitamin C to boost its potency. इसमें shea butter भी है that boost the skin moisture and retain it while keeping your skin super soft. Now I'm gonna read some of the claims and benefits of this product right here. It says here that it evens skin tone. It also boosts skin glow and brightness. It also fades dark spots, hydrates and firms skin. It retains the skin's moisture and is quickly absorbed into the skin. And this moisturizer is for all skin type and said to be used in the morning. Now moving on to the third moisturizer, this is their skin plumping moisture infusion water sleeping mask. It contains chamomile and Bulgarian rose. It is said to be used in the morning and this is a 60 ml of product for rupees 795. And it is a 72-hour hydrating gel that contains probiotics that help balance the skin's biome for healthy, glowing and firm skin. So clinically it is proven कि हमें अपनी skin को hydrated रखना चाहिए for 72 hours. So it is a really great sleeping mask to keep your skin hydrated. This water sleeping mask is really effective for normal to oily skin and it has a very light gel type of texture. And इस water sleeping mask में hyaluronic acid है, which is a combination of low and high molecular weight, which makes way for long-lasting hydrated and plump skin. इसमें Japanese rice water भी है that shrinks and tightens the appearance of pores. It does also contains kombucha, which is a natural antiseptic that boosts the skin's elasticity and also brightens and even skin texture. Now some of the claims and benefits of this sleeping mask right here is that it is the oil-free lightweight gel texture that hydrates without making skin greasy or oily. It also improves moisture retention of the skin and balances skin pH to maintain a healthy microbiome. It evens out skin tone and makes way for dewy, plump and healthy skin. It also reduces dryness, sensitivity and itchiness. Now moving on to our fourth hero moisturizer. This is a Dot Key Night Reset Retinol and Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream. It has hibiscus and sea buckthorn berry. Now this retinol cream is said to be used at night time and is really effective for normal to dry skin type people. Again, the fragrance of this product is really mild, kind of floral kind of fragrance. All the Dot Key products has very mild and subtle fragrance. I do really love the fragrance of all these moisturizers. Now this retinol cream is an overnight treatment for age defense which combats wrinkles and fine lines by promoting cell turnover. It also reboots your skin to its most healthy and youthful state with this targeted overnight treatment. It also exfoliates to clear clogged pores, controls oil production and fights acne. And also hydrates your skin to make it look more plump, fresh and supple. This is a 60 ml of product for rupees 945. So my first impression for all these products is very much surprised because they have included all the ingredients which are must for specific skin type. Now coming from an Indian brand, all these products are really great for all skin type, and also they focus on different specific type of skin concerns, because we have heard so much about K-beauty products that they include all those ingredients which usually focuses on skin concerns. So the video setup in today's video might look different to you guys because I'm using a new setup. If you guys like this setup, do let me know in the comment section below. And that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope that you all find this video really helpful and useful, and I'm gonna try all these products and give you guys my honest experience in future videos as well. Again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and follow me on Instagram as well. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.